Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off a location info tag in your photos in the Realme Narzo 50. So at the start, open the camera app, then go to the settings and look for the location here. Now if you want to add a location to your photos for Google Maps, for example, or something, just switch it on and take your photo. Take your photo, and now the localization in the shows appear in the details, like here. But if you want to turn off the localization info tag, it's simple, just switch it off, take your photo again, and we don't have any localization info now. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.